tao o pakialam ng tao.
No, pull.
So yeah, yerang nabi family member ma, Priyanka Chi Samna, Dulwan Chi Samna, Khan CH Mara, और Chanda Chi Samna, Chanda Chi Samna na anmo. Semma said o Tura Tauno Manga area rang o disputed area rang tunga. Unigaman ya disputed area government ni kata aru district ni kata chinga arang ko settle kana chinga decision kuracho. Unigaman chinga community rang baksa da o bupoinga. Yano ya particular land do ao jirangan da o sumdungi ngachim. Yarang batan da o current connection dungcha. Chi chenki chini line dungcha. Aru rama chalangrang chungcha. Yera mainly the disputed land of government ba department rang ba directly was settlement agree kam kana uchel nikha.
Schemes are all citizen-centric in their true spirit. So this CM Connect Center, the physical opening of the CM Connect Center is a very big testament to that, sir. It's not only just an online service, it's not only just a telephonic service, but now it has become a physical service as well, sir. So that no one in its truest of sense can be left behind. I think it will be a very path-breaking initiative in further improving the ground level delivery of services. And I think, sir, it's a very big reminder for all of us as officers also to ensure that we always keep the people first. We always keep the last mile delivery first.
I'll be giving a very brief insight on the CM Connect program because our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, will be guiding us through this program in details. The CM Connect program was established and rolled out on the 15th of February 2024, and till today it has been a successful journey of over 1.5 years. This initiative has been taken up under the vision and the leadership of our dynamic Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma sir. The core objective of the CM Connect program is to connect and bring the public closer to the government, no matter where they live, who they are, what they do, what is their status or background, irrespective of tribe, culture, language, or region.
This marks a very important milestone for the entire government's region and for the state of our Meghalaya. The CM Connect initiative was envisioned to bridge the gap between the government and its citizens. By launching this center in Tura, we are, especially this government, is reaffirming its commitment to grassroots democracy.
I first of all would like to thank each and every one of you, especially our Honorable Speaker and Deputy Speaker, and the citizens of Tura who have taken their time to come and be part of this very, very important and a very meaningful program. CM Connect. It is not a program. Neither is CM Connect just one mobile number. And neither is CM Connect this CM Connect office. CM Connect is an idea. The idea is that the Chief Minister must connect with the people. If the head of the government is not able to connect and understand the issues of the people, it means there is a gap in the communication, and that communication gap has a possibility of not being able to resolve issues that are important to the people, and also have an impact of governance that matter to the people. And hence, CM Connect, as I said, is an idea. To complete and to fulfill and to implement this idea, we have used different mechanisms. The first mechanism is mobile communication connectivity, and hence a call center, WhatsApp group or a chat box, and the website where you can get all the information. So people can call and find out and complain about different issues through this contact number and the call center. And I will share more with you how this works. Second is when Chief Minister himself goes and meets the grassroots people. Whenever I go and have any program anywhere, for me, every program is a CM Connect program. As I said, it's not about the program CM Connect. It is about the idea and the mindset that we as political leaders, officials and bureaucrats must always remember that we have to connect with the people. It is the mindset and it is that idea which is important. This program can become a CM Connect program if I just give the mic to you. And you can then talk to me, tell me about your complaints. So I would like to see that CM Connect program becomes more of an idea and engagement. And it should not be programs where only Chief Minister speaks and public only listens. I do this in many programs. Within seconds, I convert it from a normal program into a CM Connect program by simply giving the mic to the other side. Because I believe it is important to listen. We are not right always. We may think we are, and we may be thinking we're doing the right thing, but till we do not hear the concerns of the people, we will not know. So as CM Connect physical programs, I go to different blocks and have meetings. And the third is this office. Because some people don't know how to use technology. Some people cannot go to Chief Minister's program. Then where do they go? So that is why the third is the CM Connect Center. And I intend to open this center in every block, all 56 blocks of the state. In the blocks, the offices will be smaller, where in the block office, maybe one room will be given to CM Connect office. But in district headquarters, I want this office center to be manned properly and have a proper staff. An idea is to then let people come to these centers and discuss about the different issues and problems they have.